Hello. So this application called Lost Messages will allow you to add that particular lost messages to the designated place. So let's say you're sending emails to the particular person via maybe the sales chatter or the manufacturing chatter or the invoice or purchase chatter, and they do not reply to the same thread. They reply as an individual email, and it somewhere gets lost. It doesn't stay in that particular thread related to that particular module or the order or the form that you want it to be related to. So what this will do is that it will give you all your lost messages here in this new module called lost messages, and from here you can manually route that particular message to the designated place. So let's see how that works. So first of all, we need to give the settings rights to the particular user. So for that, I will go to users and I will enable the lost messages admin. So I've given the admin rights to Mitchell. Now, once that is done, we also have to make sure that our email configurations are enabled. So if I take you to settings again, I'll go to incoming email servers. And here you can see I have configured my email address. Also, you have to configure the same email address for the aliases. Now here under aliases, you have to create a new alias of that particular email. So I've already created one. You need to add your email over here, just the part that is before the @. That's it. That's all you need to do. You do not have to take care of any other things. Once your alias is done and your incoming mail server is enabled, you can create your incoming mail servers. Once that is done, any email that has been sent to that particular email will be visible here in the lost messages, which obviously will be sent without an outside of the thread, so hence it will be visible in the lost message. So let's see how it is going to look like. But before that, we also have to make sure that we give certain setting rights to which particular models we want that message to be connected. So for that, let's go to settings. Under settings, you have two options over here: select model and select users. Here you can select all the models to which you want to connect the particular lost messages, maybe sales order, account, company's contact. Here I have already chose bill of material and sales order, and here you can select the users as well. So once that is done, we will save this. After saving this, let's send an email and see how that works. So I will go to my email configurations, my email, and I will set this particular email. So let me send this. Once that is sent, my particular email will be visible in my lost messages. So let's go to lost messages, and here you can see this message is visible over here. This is what we received as an email. I can manually now route this to the particular module that I want. So if I go select on manual route, a new window will open up. I can select the model from here, and as soon as I select the model, every related record will be visible over here. You can see I have one record here, and I will select this. So I will attach this particular message to this particular sales order, that is number 21, and I will attach the message. Now if I go to sales again, I will go to my particular sales order, and here you will be able to see that email that was lost in the thread. You have attached it to this particular sales. So this is how the application works. If you have any queries, please leave your queries in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.